Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've just been coming to the doc for about 2 weeks now, but I came up for migraines, and I've got already tell a difference. I have more energy. My guy says I'm not snoring hardly at night, so I'm breathing better. And I almost thought I was going to have a headache the other day, but I didn't have one. So, and I'm feeling, it's amazing how well I'm feeling. And I just think it's wonderful. And he's just great. And people should come. Like I said, and hopefully it'll help my health. And it's really, I already could feel the difference, a change